Spring cleaning isn't just about making the house look nice, it's about creating and maintaining a healthy home and lifestyle. Joining me with some tips and tricks for achieving just that is Kristen Quinn. She's an award-winning blogger and lifestyle expert. So I know you have a couple of favorite tips. Let's hear those first.
Yes, thank you for having me. Spring is the perfect time to get your house clean in preparation of the crazy summer months. So I've teamed up with Walgreens and Procter & Gamble to use some of my favorite products in some home healthy hacks. So the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, it's my favorite product out there. Most people think that you just use it on your wall to get markings off, but you can also use it to clean your grill, to get all the debris off your grill. You can use it to clean your sneakers, to get grass stain off your sneakers. And I also use it for the cracks in my computer. In my computers on the keyboard, it gets all of the pollen out, because when you're opening your windows in the spring,
right, there's so much pollen right now.
Exactly, yep. And then my other favorite product is the Swiffer duster. I have to have it in my home at all times with 3 young kids. And I recently discovered that you can take the head off with the sheets and put them in a laundry mesh bag and throw it in the washing machine, so you don't have to constantly replace your product or constantly be buying those sheets.
Very convenient.
Yes.
And I know that people can get some of your favorite products for free this weekend.
Yes, correct. So Saturday, May 19th, Walgreens and Procter & Gamble are hosting a sampling event on some of my favorite products, like the Mr. Clean Eraser and the Downy Unstoppables, the Tide Pods, the Gain Flings. Those will all be being handed out as free samples from 11 to 3 this Saturday, so get there when you can, while supplies last. And then also, if you spend $20 on select P&G product, they will send you a $5 coupon for a purchase afterwards as well.
That's great. Everyone likes a good deal and free stuff. You can't beat that.
Yeah.
Where can people get information? I know you have a great blog.
Oh, thank you. Yes, so it's www.missadventuresinmommyhood.com. I tell a lot more of these healthy home tricks, and I also list the stores that Walgreens will be doing the sampling event.
Okay, thanks so much for coming in, Kristen.
Thanks for having me.